Now see here, question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Figure is not given. We have to draw the figure on our own. Triangle ABC. In this triangle, D is point on BC. Such that angle ADC formed here at D is equal to angle BAC that is formed at A here. We have to prove CA square equal to CB into CD. Okay. CA square means CA is considered 2 times, or it is a common side in 2 triangle. It gives us one hint. Then we are having here CB and CD. So CA should be common. CB and CD should be 2 sides of 2 triangles. We have to find out such 2 triangles here. CA common. It is common to triangle ADC and also to triangle ABC. So we have to consider triangle ABC and ADC. ADC. Okay. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC. It is given to us. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Angle C equal to angle C. In triangle ADC, here we are having angle C. In triangle ABC, also we are having angle C. So it is common angle. First one is given. Okay. So angle A corresponds to angle D here. Angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle C corresponds to angle C. Angle B in triangle ABC corresponds to angle A in triangle
ADC.
So correspondence is not as we assumed. So we have to rewrite the names of the triangles. Okay. For that you can have a figure like this also. Small figure. ADC. And then triangle you show A here, C here, and B here. BAC is equal to angle ADC. Angle C equal to angle C. So C corresponds to C, A corresponds to D, here A corresponds to B, like this. No confusion, your answer will be perfectly correct if you do like this. So what you can write here now? Triangle ABC is similar to A corresponds to here D. So write D. B here in a triangle ABC corresponds to A in triangle ADC. So you write here A. And definitely C corresponds to C. Here we have shown. By what rule or by what similarity criterion two angles are equal? So to write AA similarity criterion. What will write? Now we'll write the corresponding side ratios of these two similar triangles. You can select which sides you want according to the given question. CA you want in both the triangles. So CA here, right? CA corresponds to what? CA in triangle ABC corresponds to CD in triangle DAC. CD. This equal to, you want CB. You see here, it is CB. CB in triangle ABC corresponds to CA in triangle DAC. CA. Now simply cross multiply. Right here, cross multiplying. CA into CA equal to CD into CB. CA into CA is what? CA square. Multiplication is commutative. That means you can interchange the multiplicants. So write here CB into CD. Hence proved. Hence proved.